Hi, my dear friends. Today we're going to make a paper chain snake with construction paper. So here are some materials we'll need. Construction paper, of course, a pair of scissors, pencil, glue stick, and a pair of eyes for your snake. So let's begin, and this will help you to practice your fine motor skills by cutting out the strips. And we will cut them in green and yellow. So let's begin. We have cut out some strips in green and yellow, and that will be the body for our snake. And let you see how we can make the paper chain snake. So you just connect them together just like this by wrapping them around one after one. Okay, so here is the paper chain snake that we finished the body, and we will stick the last one, and then we will show you how to make the head. We're just cutting out the head right now. The top and bottom so they can be together. And here is our head and the body, and we're going to stick the eyes for our snake as well. And what is the red construction paper for? We will draw a tongue for our snake. To finish it up is to add it to our snake's head. There you go. Hope you enjoy the paper chain snake that we made.